Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Gemini. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. And then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then we go to Play Store, we search about the application of Gemini, and then you can update your app here if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.